The LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike is a remarkable blend of convenience, functionality, and design. As an adult folding bike, it addresses multiple user needs, from commuting to leisurely rides, with an added boost of electric power. Weighing in at just 50 pounds, this e-bike is lightweight relative to its features, making it an ideal choice for urban dwellers and those with limited storage space. The folding mechanism of the XP Lite 2.0 is one of its standout features. It employs a user-friendly folding design that allows for easy stowing in tight spaces, such as small apartments or car trunks. In just a few simple steps, the bike collapses into a compact size, making it perfect for commuters who want to bring their bike on public transport or for those who have limited garage space. This practicality does not compromise the bike's sturdiness. The aluminum frame feels durable and robust, providing a solid foundation for both riding and storage. When it comes to performance, the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 impresses with its powerful 500W motor. This motor can take riders up to a speed of 28 miles per hour, depending on the terrain and rider's weight, making it competitive for e-bikes in its class. The pedal assist feature allows users to dictate the level of help they receive. Whether you're tackling an uphill climb or cruising on flat terrain, the bike's performance remains reliable. The throttle mode offers an additional level of convenience, allowing riders to engage the motor without pedaling, perfect for those who might need a quick boost after a long day. Battery life is another critical aspect of the XP Lite 2.0, equipped with a 48V, 12A lithium-ion battery that provides an impressive range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. This makes it suitable for longer commutes or leisurely excursions without the constant worry of running out of power. The battery can be easily removed for charging, which is convenient for users who wish to charge it indoors or at their office. The bike features a 7-speed transmission system that allows for smooth shifting between gears, catering to various riding conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets, tackling hilly areas, or cruising along flat pathways, the gear system enhances the overall riding experience. The responsive front suspension also contributes to a comfortable ride, absorbing shocks from uneven terrains and ensuring that potholes or small curbs don't become a source of discomfort. Another highlight of the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 is its design and aesthetics. It boasts a sleek, modern look available in multiple color options, catering to diverse personal styles. The inclusion of integrated front and rear lights enhances safety, especially when riding at dusk or dawn. The bike's adjustable seat accommodates a wide range of heights, making it accessible to various riders. Furthermore, the handlebars are designed for comfort, and the overall ergonomics ensure a natural riding position. While the XP Lite 2.0 offers many advantages, it's worth noting a few drawbacks. The bike's weight, although lighter than many other e-bikes, might still pose a challenge for some users when navigating stairs or carrying it over long distances. Additionally, the folding mechanism, while efficient, may require a bit of practice to master fully, especially for those who are new to folding bikes. The LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 is also geared towards safety, featuring wide puncture-resistant tires that provide stability and grip in various weather conditions. The front and rear disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power, which is crucial for safe riding, particularly in urban environments. The assembly process is relatively straightforward, with most parts coming pre-assembled. However, it is essential for users to have some basic tools on hand for final adjustments and tire inflation. In conclusion, the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a lightweight, compact, and high-performance folding e-bike. It delivers on multiple fronts, including speed, range, and comfort, making it